So now we discussed what is code and constraint length. So the main aim of this convolutional encoder is to provide a convolutional code. So this convolutional code comes under a cyclic code type. So now we can proceed how to create a convolutional code. So there are three ways to create a convolutional code. So one is by a code tree, and another method is by trellis diagram, and the third method is called as the state diagram. In order to obtain the codes, we first have to create a state table. The state table is created based on the input bits that we are going to provide, and then what is the based on the input given in the M. After shifting, there will be changes in the M1 and M2, and by this you can obtain a state table. So this represents the state table. So the order here is first you write as M2 and then M1. And the next one represents the state. So as we know, the convolutional encoder consists of three parts, namely M, M1 and M2. Based on the bits in M1, M2, we are going to obtain the states here. So if the bits in M1, M2, that is here M2 and M1, if it is going to be 0, 0, then it is in the A state. And if the input bit is M2, M1, it will be in the B state. The value of M2 is 1, M1 is 0, it is C, and if the bits in M2 and M1 is 1, 1, then it is called as a B state. So this state table represents the value which is being shifted after entering input message based on the M2 and M1 value. So this is the state table. So as I said earlier, we can able to represent the convolution code by three ways. One is a code tree, another one is a trellis diagram, another one is a state diagram. So the basic part of all these things, three, is the state table. So now let us see how to draw the code tree. So the code tree here, it contains a constraint where there will be using a tree representation.